Hello YouTube, Phil from the Backroads Riding channel coming at you today for our next video. Today is pickup day for 2018. I am heading off to Vehicle City Harley-Davidson down in Flint, Michigan to pick up my Road King. So I am geeked and we are ready to kick off this riding season. So come with me and we'll go pick up the bike. Hey, what's up?
How are we doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
Got it right outside for you.
Oh, is it? Okay. You know what? I may actually order some parts before I... Do we need to look it over first, or?
No, you're fine.
But today's double point day, right?
Double points today, dude. So yeah, you're gonna get something that's worth the points.
Let me go set my stuff out here.
Okay.
How's it going? Good. I'd like to at least see what Reinhardt's are going to cost for my Road King. Got a 17 Road King.
You got 17?
Yeah.
So you got the new motor. The
Yes.
68 motor.
Yep.
So the Reinhardt number for the 17s is 500-0106, right? And
In Chrome, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
649.
649. Okay, and that's for the 4-inch. Okay, and then let's get the first part done and get the points, anyways.
Yep. I know that's right.
Well, what we'll do is we'll call you when the pipes are in, and then you switch over to the service department. You can make
So when I call you, just
Okay.
tell me so you get your appointment with service.
Okay. All right. That will work. Alright, Phil from the Backroads Riding channel out. 2018 riding season is officially going. Woo! Alright. We are back on the road, back on the bike. Picked the bike up from Vehicle City Harley-Davidson. She is running like a top. Feels great. That Milwaukee 8 is just singing. I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyone who's on the fence about the Milwaukee 8, oh man, go out and buy it. Go out and buy it. You got a lot more choices now. They got it in the soft tails, Fat Boy. Oh, come on, man. It's an awesome motor. I can't even imagine having this 107 in a Fat Boy. I really can't. There's so much power, so much torque. Oh, man. But anyways, this 2018 riding season is going to be awesome. I am really looking forward to it. We got a lot of good content coming up. And I'm anxious to share a lot of that with you guys. It's a little bright right now. I apologize for that. Just the way it's working out with the video. But running with a little bit of a new setup. I've got 3 cameras now. I have a new helmet setup. I don't have a new helmet. I have a new vlog or motovlog setup on it. I'm running a Hero 6. And I'm running my audio attached directly to the Hero 6. You can see the side pieces on it. But I got to get some new screws to get rid of the GoPro screws there because they're catching my coat. But so the Hero 6 is mounted on the front of my helmet. And then I've got the Yi 4K action cam set up down here on my engine guard. I did do a video settings quick tip video on the Yi 4K. I'll link that up there at the top so that you guys can take a look at that video if you want to. And then this camera here that's pointed at me is my Hero 5, the one that I've been using for a while. And trying it out on the, it's mounted right now to my mirror. I don't really care for it. I see a lot of shaking the mount, so I'm gonna have to figure out something different with that. But anyways, well, we're gonna try some different shots this year. I'm hoping to do the Blue Ridge Parkway motorcycle run this year. And when we do, it'd be nice if I can get some good shots out to the side while we're riding, some variations on stuff that you may have already seen, but get some nice shots of the Smokies and running down through there. And there's potential that I might do some other runs, maybe even one down to Texas, but we'll see what happens with that. But anyways, definitely excited for this year. But boy, it's cold today. Woo! Like 35 degrees. And I mean, it looks nice. You know, we got actual sun out today. It's not Michigan sunny. For those of you who don't know what Michigan sunny is, when you live in the state of Michigan during the winter, you see very little sun. Okay, it is gray the majority of the winter. I mean, seriously, sometimes we have months where you literally do not have you don't see the sun at all. But what you do get are what are called Michigan sunny days. So basically it's overcast, but the sun is so bright above the clouds that it's coming through like it's sunny. So everything is super bright. You have to wear your sunglasses, but it's completely gray. It is really unique, actually, and very depressing. So, but anyways, yeah, today is actually some sun, a little bit of blue sky. Yesterday is the same way. But it's great to see the sun, and that's why I'm out today, because man, this time of year, if you're gonna ride your bike and ride consistently, you got to start in March, man, because March you only get a few days to ride, but it's worth it. You just got to keep the salt off your bike, because it will rust your bike out really quick. So riding into downtown Fenton, Michigan here. Fenton's a nice little town, small town, but it's a nice little place. Got a great camera store right there. You can get your cameras repaired, buy all kinds of equipment there. It's kind of an up-and-coming area. They've got a lot of new stuff down here. You can see a lot of the art sculptures, different things that they have out here. This is an old fire station that's been converted over to a restaurant. And they got a small riverfront park here, which is pretty cool. They got a really cool skeleton. I don't think you can really see it from here, but mounted up there, he's playing the guitar. It's pretty cool. Oh, holy Humvee. Holy cow, the thing's huge. But this is a nice little area up through here. Got some beautiful old homes up through here. Nice homes. Love coming down through here during the summer. These people keep their homes landscaped meticulously, and there's some really, this looks like an old Addams Family home there. But beautiful area. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up for now. But for those of you who are just seeing these videos for the first time, we encourage you to subscribe by clicking down there in that corner. And we also encourage you to click the like button. Click. Keep clicking that like button. Those always help us. We try to post our videos every Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I want to try to stay on that schedule. Sometimes it can get a little hectic and just kind of getting lined out as to how I'm going to do videos this riding season. So, but going to be a variation between riding and tech videos. But anyways, so we hope to see you come out and come with us every week. This is Phil from the Backroads Riding Channel saying peace, and we will see you all in the next video.